Right now, child marriage is still legal in our state. 17-year-olds can get married, even to adults.
A bill to ban that practice is stalled in the state house despite having no public opponent. Your Columbus Bureau reporter Morgan Trout tells us today some women made it clear they'd like to see lawmakers act on this.
Wearing their wedding dresses, a group of brides protested at the State House Wednesday because when they were married, they were just kids, totally legally. And it's law that still exists to this day.
There are girls, not right. There are girls, not right.
We're still not protecting these girls. The same issues are still there.
When Stephanie Lowry was 16, she says her mom forced her to marry the adult man who got her pregnant. Before 2019, Ohio had no minimum age to get married. Now, 17-year-olds are still able to marry someone up to 4 years older than them, as long as a court signs off on it.
Hidden legal loopholes.
But even with a ring on her finger, she was still a child in the eyes of the law.
I was in a battered women's shelter where I could not get an attorney. I could not sign a lease. My legal guardian was my abuser, my husband, who was 20 years old.
But lawmakers have introduced a bill that would eliminate that. While no opponents have publicly come forward, some religious activists have argued that some child marriages should be allowed in the case of teen pregnancy, which according to some lawmakers is why the bill has been paused in committee.
Do you think there's merit to people who say that you can be 17 and marry an adult?
Yeah, well, I do think there should be a debate.
House Speaker Matt Huffman says that the reason why it's in law is because of previous cultural sentiments before women had economic freedom.
These are sort of tough questions because do you trust 17-year-old kids with your 4 kids for 3 or 4 hours at night? Well, yeah, but you don't trust 17-year-olds to do a lot of other things. And I would suggest that marriage is the most important decision that any individual makes in their life. So I think there's merit to the discussion.
We're putting these minors in danger.
The bill remains stalled in the Senate. At the Ohio State House, I'm your Columbus Bureau reporter, Morgan Trout.